Navigating the path to unemployment benefits in Georgia can feel overwhelming, but this guide will simplify the process for you. First, let's confirm your eligibility to apply for unemployment benefits in Georgia. You must meet certain requirements, including being unemployed through no fault of your own, being able and available to work, and having earned a minimum amount of wages during your base period. Before you begin, gather essential documents. You'll typically need your social security number, your driver's license or state ID, your employment history for the past 18 months, including employer names, addresses, and dates of employment, and your wage information like pay stubs. The primary way to file is online. Head to the Georgia Department of Labor's website, look for the File a Claim or Unemployment Services section. Once you're on the application page, create an account or log in. If you already have one, you'll be guided through a series of questions about your personal information, work history, and the reason for your unemployment. Fill out each section accurately and completely double-check all your entries before submitting. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation. This is crucial, so save it. It's vital to monitor your account regularly for updates from the Department of Labor. They may request additional information or notify you of decisions regarding your claim. Remember to certify your weekly claim. This is a mandatory step to continue receiving benefits. You can usually do this online or by phone. While your claim is processed, actively search for work. The Department of Labor often provides resources and support for job seekers, so explore those options to help you get back to work faster. You've got this.